excited about this house because it's good square footage, good bones, not a whole lot that's wrong with it that I'm gonna have to work with, but in my eyes there is. I wanna lay it out not the way it looks and change things to modernize it. Some things are just, I'd rather have longer stairs. I'd rather have a new roof. This one's kind of leaking. I'd rather not have shutters. I'm gonna paint the red brick. Maybe copper gutters in front if I can afford it. Turn the 2-car garage into a 3-car garage. So those are just some of the things that we could do. So let's see the inside. Here's the foyer. I plan on painting it a darker color, giving it a moodiness, adding some wallpaper, opening up that wall so we can see the dining room, adding built-ins, maybe go from dark to medium to lighter shade in the dining room. Very cool thing about here is its secret storage door in case you have some china. Gutted the kitchen already. Gutted these shelves. It will now be wine storage. Redoing the wet bar. We gutted the kitchen and discovered mold, so that's always fun. This fireplace is gonna go. It needs a more modern look. Kitchen completely stripped out. This is where I'm going to take those windows out, put 4 long windows side by side going from the counter all the way up, as well as the doors. Enter from the garage here, and this used to be a wood paneled office. We will get rid of these studs and open it up to be the mudroom laundry, and then it will transition over to this. It used to be the laundry room and will become the guest room now. We need this room to have a little bit more space if it's going to be a bedroom, so we're pushing this wall into the laundry area. And we will now move that washer dryer. It will become a doorway into a bathroom that this area did not have, but in order for it to be a bedroom, it needs a closet and a bathroom. Guess what was behind here? The powder room. So we are now using that as the bathroom for this guest room. And then this was storage, which is going to become our pantry. We will break through this wall so that we have a viewing of the dining room. Crazy, but while we were taking down walls and saying how we could reinvent this space to be the master, we found this wall and this vent, and inside here was a safe. In here is the master bedroom. And the way they had this house, this was a his closet and a his bathroom, and over here was a her closet, her bathroom. But this wall connects to the office. So I am going to incorporate this bathroom into the office bathroom so that we can call that a 5th bedroom. That's closet will now be designated master bathroom. And this whole space, master closet.